northeast. So its name become what? Northeast trade wind. It becomes what? Northeast trade wind. Or this one is coming from where? ये this is what ये डायरेक्शन से आ रहा है. This is south, this is west, that is in a southwest. इसके बाद वाले में नॉर्थ एंड साउथ नहीं लेना है. क्या बच गया? इफ आई एम नॉट टेकिंग साउथ, क्या बच गया? वेस्ट. सो दैट बिकम्स वेस्टर्ली. दैट बिकम्स, सो दिस इज व्हाट आई सेड, दैट वेस्टर्लिस. वेस्टर्लिस क्लियर. तो इसका मतलब ये कौन सा है? This is what I said, that northeast trade wind. In the southern hemisphere, they will deflect towards left. Instead of like this, it will what? Move like this. It will move like this, leftward. Actually, straight move न करके आपको ही पता है कि wind is to deflect towards left and right. And the southern hemisphere, it will deflect towards left. ऐसा न move करके left, left, left. So this will be what? So it is coming from southeast. So therefore it becomes southeast trade wind. And it is coming from northwest. North hata diya, it becomes what? Westerlies. It becomes westerlies. Got it? Yes. अब मैं दोबारा बोलने जा रहा हूँ, ध्यान से देखिएगा. एंड इट इज गोइंग टू कंप्लीट हेडली सेल. लेकिन अभी हेडली सेल धीरे धीरे आप लोग और अच्छा से लिखेंगे, क्योंकि एक क्वेश्चन दूंगा. व्हाट इज हेडली सेल? प्रेजेंट द सिग्निफिकेंस, प्रेजेंट इट्स सिग्निफिकेंस विद रिस्पेक्ट टू डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एटमॉस्फेरिक फेनोमेना. क्लियर? तो आपको बताना होगा एंड ऑल. लेकिन आपको स्टार्ट कहां से करना होगा? दैट आई हैव सेड दैट बिटवीन 5 डिग्री नॉर्थ टू 5 डिग्री साउथ, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? 5 degree north to 5 degree south, sun rays or sun insolation is vertical or near to vertical. Under such high heating throughout the year, the warm air and warm moisture started rising up. बाद में मैं यहाँ पे cumulus cloud, cumulonimbus, ये सारा चीज ऐड होगा, क्योंकि over the period I led. When it is moving up, then in the upper atmosphere it become, I said that there it found that toward the pole there is a what? Very low pressure, and then there is a formation of what? High pressure gradient force from the equator towards north pole and south pole in the upper atmosphere. Therefore the wind started moving toward the respective poles, and when in the northern hemisphere wind is moving toward the north pole, by reaching 25 to 35 they deflected towards rightward and become geostrophic wind, and in the southern hemisphere deflecting towards leftward by 25-35 it becomes geostrophical wind or subtropical jet stream, and the speed of the wind is around 200 to 300 km per hour. And then after becoming heavy enough, they descending down. By descending they have created deserts in the world and dynamic origination of what? Subtropical high pressure belt. Dynamic origination of, and after that one wind started moving towards equator, and in the northern hemisphere it is known as northeast trade wind, and in the southern hemisphere it is known as what? Southeast trade wind. And where they are meeting, तो जहां पे मीट करते हैं तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? कन्वर्जेंस. That is becoming intertropical convergence zone. That is becoming ITCZ. That is becoming, समझ में आ गया? So this is an Hadley cell. This is, I said that. तो इस Hadley cell में यहाँ पे डेजर्ट बन रहा है, और this Hadley cell में यहाँ पे हैवी रेनफॉल हो रहा है. Understood? जहाँ पे लो प्रेशर है, where air will go up, rainfall, and where the air is descending, that is becoming what? Deserts of the world. Understood it? And one part started moving towards the pole. One part started moving towards the pole in the name of westerlies. In the name of what? फ्रॉम सब ट्रॉपिकल हाई प्रेशर बेल्ट दे स्टार्टेड मूविंग टुवर्ड्स, यहाँ पे इसको मैंने रोक दिया। इसके बाद हमें आना है पोलार हाई प्रेशर। नाउ टेल मी, पोलार हाई प्रेशर इज एन thermally originated or dynamically? Thermally, because of very less temperature. Sun rays are not able to reach. That is means what? Polar high pressure is what? Thermally originated. And if the polar high pressure, due to what very less heat and coldness, that the air has been condensed, compressed, not condensed, compressed. This region is high pressure. What is the meaning of high pressure? Just tell me. If it is in high pressure, this region must be what? Yes. इसका मतलब if this region is high pressure, this side is low pressure, and ये high pressure तो ये भी low pressure, तो दोनों के comparison में this region is what? Tell me. Low pressure. Understood it? Clear? Now, अब ये मुझे बताओ. So if it is high pressure, polar high pressure, then it means surrounding region is low pressure, that the wind will start moving away from the polar high pressure. और किधर की ओर मूव करेगा? टुवर्ड्स द इक्वेटर. जैसे मैंने बोला सब ट्रॉपिकल हाई प्रेशर इज मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द, मैंने सब पोलर नहीं बोला, सब पोलर तो बाद में बना. यस और ना, ये एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता है. दिस इज नॉट एग्जिस्टिंग. ये तो दोनों विंड के मिलने से बना है. सो आई सेड दैट सब ट्रॉपिकल हाई प्रेशर फ्रॉम देयर वार्म स्टर्लिस, इसको वार्म बोलूंगा या कोल्ड बोलूंगा? यदि पोल की तरफ जा रहा है, एक विंड यहां से पोल की तरफ जा रहा है, सो यहां के रीजन ठंडा है, और इफ द एयर विच इज कमिंग फ्रॉम 30 डिग्री लैटिट्यूड 25 to 35, तो वहां का एयर क्या होगा? गर्म. एंड देन पीपुल हियर दे विल फाइंड इट इज वार्म. Yes or not? Air coming from low latitude or the air which is coming from the polar towards the this latitude, थोड़ा सा गर्म वाले में, तो वो लोग बोलेंगे क्या है? Cold air is coming. Which air is coming? So I said that the cold wind will come. So which? This one is, and I said that warm westerlies. ये तो अभी आप जान रहे हैं कि this is a warm westerlies. Due to high pressure, wind started moving towards what? Tell me. In both the hemisphere, from the polar high pressure, cold wind started moving towards the equator. क्योंकि high pressure, it means surrounding region is low pressure. Similarly, in the southern hemisphere, is it clear? And when they started moving towards equator, इसको move कैसे करना चाहिए? Straight. लेकिन in the northern hemisphere it will deflect towards, yes, right? So it is coming from northeast. North हटाया, क्या बचा? East बचा. So it is known as easterlies. Polar. So it is known as, yes, polar easterlies. In the southern hemisphere, it will deflect towards, जब ये move करेगा इधर आ रहा है, तो instead of going like this, it will deflect towards left. It will deflect towards what? Left. And it is coming from which direction? Southeast. तो south हटा दिए, क्या बचा? If you remove south, what left? East. It means it is easterlies, and it is coming from polar easterlies, and it is coming from colder region, cold easterlies. So I said that cold polar easterlies are coming and air is cold polar. अब यहाँ पे which two air is meeting? Yes or not? Tell me which two air is converging? Warm westerlies and cold polar easterlies. Where they are meeting? At 52. No. सब पोलर लो प्रेशर बेल्ट बाद में बना. They meet near 52, they converge near 52 60 degree latitude.